Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to remove a GMC Sierra door panel. This is a common task for many repairs, like replacing a window regulator or upgrading speakers. It's important to approach this carefully to avoid damaging your vehicle's interior. We'll go through each step, from gathering your tools to disconnecting the final wires. With a little patience and the right approach, you'll have your door panel off in about 20 to 30 minutes. To start, you'll need a few basic tools: a plastic trim removal tool, a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a 7mm socket with a driver. Begin by gently prying off the small triangular trim piece located near the mirror. Next, carefully open the clip on the front of the door lock knob and pull it out. These initial steps help expose hidden fasteners and prevent accidental damage to your interior components. Once your simple syrup is ready, it's vital to let it cool down completely to room temperature. After cooling, strain the syrup to remove the lemon zest, ensuring a perfectly smooth sorbet base. Now, gently stir in 1 cup of freshly squeezed, pulp-free lemon juice. This combination forms the core of your sorbet. For optimal freezing, transfer the mixture to a container and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour or until it is very cold. With all clips and bolts removed, gently lift the entire door panel upward to unhook it from the window ledge. You can now pull the panel away from the door by about 6 to 8 inches. This provides access to the electrical connections and the door handle cable. Carefully disconnect all wire harnesses for the window switches, door locks, and speakers. Finally, release the door handle cable by pressing its 2 tangs and pulling the cable ball out of the lever's pocket. Your door panel is now completely free.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.